shooting.
Yeah, buddy.
Hell yeah. Okay, hey guys, I'm about 2 miles behind my house out in the middle of the desert. It's super badass. I love this place. I come back in here, we go four-wheeling, we ride our dirt bikes back here. It's pretty awesome. I love the rocks that are back here. As a matter of fact, if I build a new house, I want to build it out of these rocks. It's bitchin', isn't it?
It's pretty cool.
So anyway, what we're doing back here is we're gonna shoot some shirts. We got a few shirts for some guys that want us to shoot some. We get calls all the time from people that want us to shoot shotgun shirts. So we're gonna blast a few today, and we're gonna have Julian running the shotgun today. We're gonna give him a quick little 101 on a 12 gauge Benelli. So stay tuned. What I'd like to do is come out here and find a couple of cool rocks that we could lay these shirts on. And basically they'll just kind of stick to it when you throw them on there. Hopefully the wind don't blow too hard today, which might be our problem, but we just lay it against the wind right there. Get a good spot where we can shoot it. Might need a couple of rocks to hold it down, but you know, like this, no big deal. Got another rock. There we go. Once we shoot our air conditioning in it, it won't matter. So we're gonna stand back about, I don't know, maybe 30 yards and shoot it. And what we want it to do is we want the buckshot to come out of the shotgun and spread throughout the shirt, so it keeps your holes consistent, you know what I mean? You don't want to be too close to them because it blows holes in the shirt. And you want to use maybe a light birdshot load in it so it doesn't really blow a big hole in it. And depending on the shotgun, some shotguns got a different choke in them, which if you're a shotgun guy, you'll know what I'm talking about. But don't try this shit at home. Don't try it in your backyard. Just don't do it, okay? If you want a shotgun shot shirt, then just call me. We'll do it. Flash burn? Okay, that's one shirt. Save these because we'll give them to the people we.
Go with their shirt.
Yeah, I'll go with their shirt, right?
Makes sense.
You ready?
Yeah, I think so. Let's do this.
All right, shoot the shirt. But don't shoot my flash burn one, shoot the other one. I already shot flash burn. Go ahead. Ooh. Damn.
Looking badass.
That's pretty badass.
All right. That scared the fuck out of me.
I'm ready when you are. Shooting the other way this time, huh? All right, let's see what you shooting. What you bitching? Go ahead. Ooh, you killed the shit out of that Quit Your Bitching shirt. Nice job, brother. Nice job.
See?
You like it the other way, huh?
I do.
Okay. All right.
Dexterous.
Yes, you are. Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
Might as well use these up, right?
Fuck, bro. Hey, that was some fucking tombstone shit right there.
All right, let's get our shotgun shells and we'll sign them and give them to people. All right, so here's what we got, that Zach. So you can kind of get a better feel for it. There's the front of the shirt right there. There's air conditioning right there, boys. That's air conditioning. Okay, let's see what this one looks like. Ooh, this one got the collar good. See that? That one there, you'll have your chest hair coming out of it.
I think I hit that one.
See, yeah, I think you got that one. You think it'll go straight up that? Huh? Good thing we're feeling try to go easy. Let's just say F in there. All right, let's get our shirts and hit the dirt. Hey guys, we got back from shooting our shirts. It was a good day. It was fun. Did a little four-wheeling, got to shoot the shirts. Julian got to shoot the shotgun. Hey, make sure that you guys like our channel and subscribe. And we'll talk to you later. Thanks.